Hello darlings, for today's video I'm going to show you how I edit my beauty tutorials for YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. First I open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Then I open all of the files and drag them to the workspace. Once they're all in the workspace, I speed up the entire video. To do this, I select all of the clips and right-click. Then I choose the option Speed Duration and type in 150% and tick the box that says Ripple Edit Shifting Trailing Clips. Next, I adjust the lighting. First, I select one clip and go to Luoci Color and adjust the contrast and whites to 10 in the Basic section. Then I go to the Creative section and add 10 Vibrance and 10 Sharpen. After that, I right-click the current clip and select Copy and paste those attributes to the other clips. Next, I color correct the video by going to Effects and typing in Fast Color Corrector. After double-clicking it and going to the Effects panel, I select the color picker from the white balance and click on the whitest part of my video. Then I do the same thing with the white level. This helps ensure my backdrop is pure white and all of the tones in my video appear true to color. Finally, I copy that setting and paste it to the other clips. Now, I prefer to use a different program to split up and add effects to the video. With that being said, it's time to export. Just select all of the clips, click Export, and then click Media. Here are my export settings. After that's finished exporting, I use Wondershare Filmora to alter the video further. Once I upload the video and drag it to the workspace, I'm ready to shorten the video. As you can see, the video is quite long. I like my videos to be 10 minutes or less, so I start to cut out all of the unnecessary bits where I'm not actively applying any products. I use the scissor tool to separate sections by clicking this icon, and once I have an entire section that isn't important, I click the delete button on my keyboard or select the trash can icon to remove them. Now that my video is a decent length, I'm adding in my end screen by uploading the image and placing it at the end of the video. Then I'm adding transitions to the video. I usually only add 3 transitions, which I place after the intro and before the outro, as well as a simple fade between the outro and end screen. These transitions are set to 20 seconds. Next, I'm adding text to the video. I use this custom piece of text to inform viewers what brush I'm using in each step. I place this in the track above the video file and add it to the parts of my video that introduce a new brush. To edit the text, I just double-click it and type the corresponding brush name. Next, I'm locking the video and text tracks in order to add more tracks and not accidentally mess up what I've done. Now I'm adding a photo of the palette I used so that I can show viewers what shades I'm picking up. For this video, I'm using the Sigma Corda Rosa palette, so I'm grabbing that photo from Google, and each time I pick up a new shade from the palette, I place the photo in the line above the one that I used for text. After resizing it to fit into a small corner of the video, I'm adding a marker to the palette to depict each shade I'm using. I go to Elements and pick an arrow and add it to the layer above the photos. After resizing it so that it fits into the proper pan, I'm locking that layer. Now it's time for the voiceover. The first thing I do is type up my voiceover in a text document. I just follow along with the video, explaining what I'm doing and sharing what products I'm using. To gather more in-depth information, such as shade descriptions, I go to the product listing on the brand's website. Then I record the voiceover on my phone using the voice recorder app. Next, I upload the voiceover and add it to the layer beneath the video files. I cut out any pauses and move each section to where it corresponds with the video. After locking that layer, it's time to add music. I find my music via No Copyright Sounds on YouTube. To add music to my video, I drag the music I want to use onto another track and either duplicate it or select additional songs to fit the entire length of the video. Then, I cut off and delete the end of the song so that it fits with the exact length of the video. After that, I adjust the volume of the music by double-clicking the file and typing -50. Now it's time to balance the audio so that it's louder in the parts of the video where I don't have a voiceover. To do this, I'm cutting out the sections of the music file which fall in between the voiceover files. Then, to adjust the audio on them, I'm double-clicking them and setting the volume to -20. I'm also fading them in and out about -0.7. After playing with the audio settings for a while, I found that this allows for a seamless audio experience where the viewer can hear both the voiceover and music without any trouble. Finally, the video is complete and it's time to export. Wondershare Filmora makes this step easy. I simply choose the best export setting. Here's a look at the settings. And that's how I edit my beauty tutorials for YouTube. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, Please give it a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!